If you're wondering what to make for breakfast, this mandazi recipe is the way to go. You just need flour, vanilla essence, cinnamon, and salted butter, and you are good to go. So we're going to go ahead and mix our flour and the butter, and we're going to melt the butter to just make it even. And we decided to add some sugar, just a small quantity. The flour was a lot, that's why you see like our quantity of sugar is a lot. Then we are going to add cardamoms or cinnamons, whatever you have, and you add some salt, of course, to taste. And then we're going to mix the ingredients evenly. We consider them the dry ingredients before we add any other thing. Comment down below with your to-go-to breakfast recipe. After mixing evenly, we're going to add our vanilla essence, and this is the secret to flavorful mandazi. Remember the other time my house girl was asking me what I use for my ingredients? This vanilla essence, cinnamon makes any pastry taste very delicious. Of course, we have added the butter, and we are going to go ahead and mix everything gradually. As we mix, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Jessie, and if this is the first time you have come across this channel, or you have been watching and have not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing so that you're notified every time we upload a new video. At this point, we are going to add lemon zest, and quickly we use the grater. If you don't have this grater, you can always use the normal grater, but this is amazing for your cheese and for such ingredients. Yeah, and then of course we're going to continue mixing everything, and now we come in with the water and mix until we make a perfect soft and sticky dough. Don't make a dry dough, otherwise you're going to have a problem when you be making it, or it's going to give you crunchy mandazi.